Welcome back to Hausama series channel. So this is lesson 21b. So we are taking linear equation in this algebraic process lesson. So linear equation is the equation that contain a single unknown variable. So we have different equations like simultaneous linear equations that contain more than one unknown variable like this one, and we have quadratic equations which they are having some different kind of unknown variables. So now we are taking this linear equation so that we can see it thoroughly. And we also have a polynomial equations which contain many different unknown variables. So let's see example number 1 on linear equations. Example 1, find the value of x in the equation below. So we have number 1, 3x plus 20 is equals to 50. So let's see the solution. If you have 3x plus 20 is equals to 50, so first of all what we are supposed to do is to collect like terms. Means the terms that look alike to be added together or to be merged in one place. So let's see this 20 and 50. This 20 and 50 look alike, so we are going to merge them in one side. So our answer is going to be 3x is equal to 50 minus 20. Why is it minus 20? Just because it is positive in that other side, equal side. When it cross other equal side, it will be negative as we have done it previously. So 50 minus 20 means 30. Therefore 3x is equal to 30. So as we have done this one, if you have 3x is equal to 30, to get this value of x, we are going to divide exactly by the coefficient of x, which is 3. So we are going to divide both sides by 3. When we divide 3 by 3, 3 cancel 3, then it will remain only x. Therefore 30 divided by 3 is 10. Hence x is equals to 10. Now number 2, where 5 is equal to 7m minus 30. So here take a look. Even this one, we have a terms like which they are look alike. 5 is look alike 30. Also let's see, this 5 and 7 are not like terms, so we have only 5 and minus 30 as look alike. So when we solve it, 5 is equals to 7m minus 30. So we are taking the one that the terms that are look alike, means to collect the like terms. So when you collect like terms, we are taking this 30 backward, because if you take 7 backward and take 5 to cross equal sign, so this 7 is going to be negative. So when we are now going to take this minus 30 backward to cross equal sign, so that we are going to add it with 5. 5 plus 30 is equals to 7m. So why it become positive? Since it is negative in that other side, so when it cross equal sign, it will be positive. Therefore 35, when you add 5 plus 30 is 35. 35 is equals to 7m. How are we going to find the value of this m when we reach this step? So we are going to divide by the coefficient of that 7. So now we are going to divide both sides by 7. If we divide both by 7, 7 divided by 7, 7 cancel 7, it will remain m. And we are going to divide this 35. Also, once you divide 35 by 7, you are going to have 5. Therefore the value is 5 is equals to m. Once we have 5 is equals to m, so it shows that also m is equals to 5. Now let's cross check. If you cross check, you are going to substitute the value of m as 5. 5 is equals to 7 times m, means 7 times 5 is equals to minus 30. Number 3. Example 3. Find the value of y in the equation below. So if you are to find this, we have 4y minus 14 is equals to 2y. So these two terms are look alike, because 4y and 2y are two different terms which are look alike, because we have y 4 times, and we have y 2 times. Therefore, take solution. Now, this 4y and this 2y are the one to be collected as like terms. Means 14 and 2y are not look-alike. Now collect like terms. 4y, we are going to take this 2y to cross equal sign backward. So it's going to be negative since it is positive in that other equal sign. So it becomes 4y minus 2y is equals to 14. So when you subtract 2y from 4y, you are going to have a remainder. So exactly, if you have this like terms, that is how you are going to use it. You cannot just keep adding either they are constant. You cannot add a constant with something unless when they are still constant. So 4y minus 2y is 2y. Then 2y is equals to 14. Now 2y, when we have 2y is equals to 14, we are going to divide both sides by 2. Now by dividing both sides by 2, 2y is equals to 14 also divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. 14 divided by 2 is equals to 7. So take a look at the value of this y is equal to 7 exactly. So after we have done this one, let's now cross check and substitute the value of y as 7. So 4y is 7. 4y is equals to 4 times 7, and 2y is 2 times 7. Now 28 minus 14 is equals to 14. So when you substitute the value of y, that is why you are going to get exactly the value of these equations. Now let's take the next example, number 4. Example 4. Find the value of x in the equation below. So let's see this one. We are going to expand it first before we can be able to solve it. Now 3 in open bracket, x minus 2 is equals to 3. So if you take a look here, we need to expand this what is in the bracket. Now take a solution. Now we have 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 3. We are going to multiply it all what is coefficient of this bracket or what is outside this 3 by what is inside the bracket. 3 multiplied by x minus 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 3. So by multiplying, we have x 3 times, which is 3x, and we have 3 times 2, which is minus 6. Now we have 3x minus 6 is equals to minus 3. So this one, it become opened. So now let's collect the like terms. What are the like terms? So we have constant 6 and 3. So this 6 have negative sign, which is minus 6. Now 3x is equals to 3. Now we are taking minus 6 to cross equal sign, it will become positive. So we have plus 6. Now 3x is equals to 9. By adding 3 and 6, we have 9. 3x is 9. So now when we have 3x is 9, we are going to divide both by the coefficient of x, which is 3. Now when we divide 3x by 3 is equals to x, and 9 divided by 3 is equals to 3. So we have got the value of x as 3. The value of x is 3. So cross check by checking, and when we substitute the value of x here, we have 3 open bracket, 3 minus 2. When we substitute, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we have come to an end of this lesson. Let's take an exercises. Make sure that you are practicing. Always practice make perfect. Number 1, we have 4n minus 7 is 9. Number 2, we have 5y minus 6 is 3y. Number 3, we have 4 is equals to 3b minus 2. And number 4, we have $7 minus 30 is equals to 19. Number 5, we have 3 open bracket t plus 2 is equals to 15. These are the sample of the previous question we have done in this lessons. Make sure you have done your best. Always try and make perfect. By trying, you can get it well. See you in my next lesson.